Welcome to English Chats Daily.
Your daily partner for easy English conversations.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Chats Daily. My name is Eva.
And I'm George. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome. Today we have a fun topic. We are talking about hobbies and free time. This is a great way to talk to new friends.
That's right. So let's start. Eva, first, what is a hobby?
That's a great question, George. A hobby is something you like to do in your free time. It is not work, you do it for fun.
Okay, for fun. So like reading books or playing guitar.
Exactly. Or cooking, painting, watching movies. Many things can be hobbies.
Right. So what do you do in your free time, Eva? What are your hobbies?
I have a few hobbies. I really like to cook. I cook dinner for my family every evening. I think it is very relaxing.
Oh, that's a great hobby. What do you like to cook?
I like to cook pasta. It is easy and delicious. What about you, George? What are your hobbies?
Oh, I love making spaghetti carbonara. It's a classic Italian dish. It's simple, but so tasty. You only need a few ingredients: spaghetti, eggs, cheese, and pancetta.
That sounds delicious. Cooking is a great hobby.
Yes, it is. Pasta is great. What kind of pasta do you make? Do you have a favorite recipe?
I like simple pasta dishes. They're easy to make.
That's nice. My main hobby is reading. I love books. I read a little bit every day before I go to sleep.
Reading is a wonderful hobby. It's quiet and relaxing.
Yes, it is. So, to our listeners, you can say, I like to cook, or I like to read. It is very simple.
Okay, let's talk about another hobby, music. George, do you like music?
Oh, yes, I do. I love music. I listen to music every day when I drive my car.
That's nice. What kind of music do you like?
I like rock music. I like the guitars and the drums. It has a lot of energy.
Rock music. Okay. I don't listen to a lot of rock music. I like pop music
Pop music. Right. Why do you like pop music?
because it's happy and upbeat. I like to sing with the songs. I listen to pop music when I am cleaning my house. It makes cleaning more fun.
That makes sense. It's good music for dancing, too.
Yes. So for our listeners, you can ask someone, what kind of music do you like? And you can answer, I like rock music or I like pop music.
There are many types of music: classical, jazz, country.
That's true. Okay, what about movies and TV shows? George, do you like watching movies?
Yes, I do. I like watching movies on the weekend with my family.
Me too. It's a great way to relax. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies. They are very exciting. Lots of fast cars and big explosions.
Action movies, right. I prefer comedy movies
Comedies. Why do you like them?
because they're funny. I love to laugh. Laughing makes me feel good.
That's true. A good laugh is the best. Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, I do. But you can probably guess what kind of TV shows I watch.
Let me guess. Cooking shows?
Yes, you are right. I love cooking shows. They give me new ideas for dinner. What about you, George? Do you watch TV shows?
I sometimes watch shows about history or science. I like to learn new things.
That's great. So you can say, I like action movies or I like comedy movies. And you can say, I watch cooking shows.
Okay, one last topic for today: sports and exercise.
All right, let's talk about sports. George, are you a sports fan?
Yes, I am. I like to watch sports on TV. My favorite sport to watch is football.
Football, uh-huh. Do you have a favorite team?
Yes, I like a football team from England. They are a great team. Do you like sports, Eva?
I don't really watch sports. I think it's a little boring, but I do like to exercise.
Oh, okay. So you don't watch sports, but you like to be active. What kind of exercise do you do?
I like to go for a walk in the park. Sometimes I do yoga at home. It's very relaxing and good for your body.
Walking and yoga, those are great ways to exercise. I should probably do more of that.
So you can like to watch sports like football, or you can like to do exercise like walking or yoga.
Exactly. There are many different ways to spend your free time.
Well, that is all the time we have for today. We talked about hobbies, music, movies, and sports.
Great job, everyone. We hope this helps you talk about your hobbies in English. Try to practice the sentences you learned today.
Thank you for listening to English Chats Daily. We will see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.